Alright guys, we got the Z here. It's almost done. Don't worry, we haven't forgot about you. This is a whole new vlog. We're going to be dropping that one in about 2 days or so. She's real close to being done. Thank you guys so much for the support, especially from you guys over at TikTok. You guys got a crazy amount of subscribers and real fast. So this bad boy is going to be done. But for now, enjoy the vlog out in Ohio. We had a hell of a time. Enjoy this.
Yo, guess where we're going? Ohio! We're going to Ohio. We're about to hit the roads. No, we are hitting the road to Ohio. Ohio! Angela wants to show you guys how far it is.
What? You gotta put me on the spot. Yeah, okay, it's 7 miles, 10 hours, 12 minutes. We're aiming for at least to cut off 2 hours of time.
We're gonna add like 3. A 4-hour road trip took us 9.
No, it was a 3-hour road trip, 3.5 hours that took us 9.5.
Some Starburst.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, again and getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars.
So I just woke up.
I'm the wrong turn. We're in Arkansas.
Wait. He actually got me there for a second. We're gonna meet up with Sean here.
Should be here any minute, honestly.
You ready?
We'll get you on the way back.
Bye, Taco. It's a Stady. It's a Stady. I'm still like waking up. There's a lot going on in this hallway. We're gonna go to some foods. Rest up. One. I got pizza. I got pretzels. Dude, how many pretzels did you get?
None?
You better go get Rocket.
Russ, no. One for Jim, not for you, because one means a handful.
We're gonna stop again.
In like 2.5 hours.
Yeah. Hey, look who decided to show up.
The shit we do for him.
Hell yeah. Absolute ripper.
So if you were watching last video, oh, I gotta get out. Oh, that keeps falling out.
Yeah, put the... We have zip ties or anything? We didn't completely... Jesus Christ.
Found zip ties.
Hell yeah. Good.
Ingenuity.
Here, save it up. Right. Yes. Put it in the hole. And we're full. We're gonna be here a while.
We're in Hebron, right?
Yeah.
We're in Hebron. We're in Ohio.
We're in Ohio.
We're in the town or the neighboring town of where we're staying. About to
2
go
miles away.
drop off the trailer and get some foods. Earlier this year, the same exact hotel, and just like last time, there was a car show inside of the hotel. And guess what? There's a car show basically here again. We're following 2 MR2s in here. Hell yeah. We made it. I'm hopping out. Fat boy's hopping out. Oh god. Look at that. What an idiot. Alright. How was the drive there, Poppy?
It wasn't too bad at all.
Did that car feel better?
No, it started doing it again.
No!
Yeah.
You like plug wires a little
What the hell?
and it's doesn't sound too good.
During when you're like giving some gas.
Is that normal? Wow, 2 J swap in here, dude? We're gonna get every
It's
hole.
pretty bad. Dude, my eyes are burning. It's like when we're going like from a dead stop. Whoa, 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 whoa.
How's it go?
Oh, whoa, whoa,
Whoa, oh, dude. Oh, my.
Dude, I was gonna run after that velocity. I don't want to beat Russ that bad.
I was roasted in the truck. I don't know which way's up. 194.
Hell yeah. Well, you're probably you're down a cylinder.
Yeah, you're down a cylinder, son. I just pinched my PP.
Well, technically we don't know if we're down a cylinder.
Too tight.
I understand now why Tony rides alone. It is so peaceful.
Is it really?
I love it. Windows down, you just kind of cruise, fall asleep, but cruise.
You look superb in sliding. Look at that.
Oh my God. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy.
Jim saw a spider in the truck before you even left. Crawled in the back seat.
Bruh. We're about to go to Texas Roadhouse, get some dinner, so we're gonna catch you guys after that. What's going on? What is this? Ah. So right now we're just basically getting the trailer back hooked up. I got it back showing up. Good morning, Bert. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Press speed.
Hi.
He's got them Adam Lamberts on with the baggy. Where'd you get those pants?
Your mom's house.
I got foods. The rain is slowing up. There's a car with underglow pulling in.
Welcome to the vlog.
No, the vlog's already like
Oh, we're already
10
here.
minutes ago.
Anyways, we're in Ohio. That's kind of raining.
So you gotta say it the right way. Where are we?
Ohio.
Hey, Sean. It's that time in the vlog to say something inspirational.
Call a judge, you get some fudge.
Pardon?
It's that time of the vlog, and you're our surprise guest. You gotta say something inspirational to the vlog. Something inspirational.
Don't do drugs, kids.
All right, so we're in Ohio, and it's kind of raining. Oh, I hear there's an S10. What? Where? It's kind of raining out right now. Yeah, it's raining in Ohio.
Raining.
So we're just kind of waiting for the rain to die down. Yo, Angelo, this be our biggest setup to date.
60 by 20, yeah.
Right?
Newest car's biggest setup.
Oh yeah. So we're finally like actually kind of, not really, but maybe set up. Two cow handles. It's kind of all different. We got all the t-shirts out. Okay, he dropped it. Everyone's loving the ocean wave design, anti-speed, and of course the palm tree designs are like everyone's favorite. We got new banners that'll be on our website soon than the typical setup everywhere else. Also, if you guys didn't know, we have the anti-speed roses shirts that are ready to ship out in like 3 days. In each order, you're gonna be getting like a gift. You guys are getting like a surprise in each package, whether it be a license plate bracket, I think a cap of $100.
Got $100, even
You could have a cash prize in it. Like let's say you buy one shirt for $27.99, you could get a $100 bill.
You get a hat.
You get a hat. You get like what? It's gonna be a surprise of our choice. We're gonna pick it, but definitely make sure you go grab those on our website, karbonkings.com. You know it's gonna have anti-speed roses t-shirt. They're sick. I love them. Yeah, I think the coolest thing on Karbon Kings' YouTube channel is about to happen. We're going in a f***ing helimaboter. Guys, it's a f***ing helicopter. Like, wait. Oh, I might not fit. Oh, God. That's scary. We just flew in a freaking helicopter. It's a real life helicopter. That was freaking awesome. Guys, that was by far one of the coolest things I've done in my life. The helicopter is right over there. That was awesome. How many people can say they went in a helicopter at work? Unless you're like a really special surgeon. or like lawyer. We just did that. That was sick. Back to work, I guess. Yo, Tony.
Right on the mirror. That's cool. Dang cool, man.
Ready? So we're finishing the vlog on the phone because the camera died.
That's okay. Upgrades. We went in a helimaboter.
It died in the right spot.
We went in a freaking helimaboter.
Pony freaking won.
Oh yeah, what'd you win?
Best display.
Oh, you did? Oh hell yeah! That is IFO Karbon, Ohio, the second IFO Ohio of 2021. It was sick. Sean just said something stupid probably. Peace out. No, I don't know. We'll catch you in a little bit. We're gonna pack up now. We got 60 feet worth of boots to pack up.